Breakfast. Through the fridge, past the bridge, I drop a hash brown face down into the cast iron, filling the room with a surround sound of sizzle. As the potato starts to brown, I do not peek until around the time the sizzle starts to simmer. Out of the pan, the bacon can rest horizontally across bars of steel to drip and feel the best. Obsessed with cleanliness, the bits of bacon are scraped off with zest. In place of them, I crack 2 eggs. Bubble bubble, toil and shake, mixed with milk is chocolate. Into a jar from afar, pour the tar into the reservoir of waste after freeing the hash brown from burning to taste. Done are the eggs for my meal. I reveal with a wheeled around gesture to free them from the seal of fire. Breakfast is served.